someone who's faithful, yeah. This world is so hateful, you running through my mind and I really can't take you. James Harden at the Garden when I'm going off. You see the gold around my neck, I'm just showing off. You looking at the best, baby, I ain't gonna stop. Reaching for the mountaintop. And the mountains really coming, forever climbing, grinding, what the fuck am I becoming? Shit is so dope, got the 12 rain summons. Holy like the Pope, from hell I've been running, yeah. From hell I've been running all of my life. I've been focused on my craft, making fans every night. I ain't focused on your compliments or peasy advice. I'm focused on the message when I sit down to write. Looking for the beauty in the pain, but the pain is the beauty and it keeps me vain. Yeah, for the beauty in the pain, but the pain is the beauty and it keeps me vain. And I don't really know, no. And I don't really know, no. And I don't really know, no. Things that I don't really talk, no. Yeah, and I don't really know. Thinking about things that are deep in my soul. But God's really dead and I see how I roll. I'm telling y'all the truth, I don't care what you told. What you told is lies, what I say is truth. Time to cut ties, to pave a better route. There's a purpose now for being in the booth. Music helps save my life, it can save yours too. Running through the jungle, I calm my mind. Slicing through the forest just to make it out alive. My friends ain't believe me, just give me some time, a little preparation, I'ma cross that line. Yeah, and ain't shit changed, except some fame. I ain't to blame, never want change, no you wanna stay the same. A lot of people gonna try and steer you in the wrong direction. They gonna try and pass judgment on you about what you should and shouldn't be doing. But at the end of the day, you yourself can only decide that. Take me for example. I blocked out all the noise, locked myself in my room for a couple years and just look at the goddamn music I'm making now. And that's thanks to myself. So remember, at the end of the day, you can do any of that shit. Follow your path, do what the fuck you wanna do, fuck what everyone else has to say. That's when greats are born. Woo!
Ain't nothing gonna make me stop. I'ma take another shot. Watch this record pop. Bitches going off a lot.
Ain't nothing gonna stop this boy. Ain't nothing gonna stop me now. Ain't nothing gonna stop this boy. Ain't nothing gonna stop me now.
Lost in your mind, I wanna know, am I losing my mind? Never let me go. you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We've both been there before. When a love shuts the door, it's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all,